there, this is Sandra with the Mortgage Center in beautiful downtown Guelph. Another Mortgage Monday. Today's Mortgage Monday topic is how to put offers on properties without a financing condition. We see that a little bit more rarely now than earlier this year in 2017. I never recommend putting an offer on a house without a financing condition, even if you've been pre-approved. And the main reason for that is there could be an issue with the collateral for the loan. So I kind of tell clients, you got to think like the lender. We do a great job at pre-approving people, verifying income, pulling a credit history, making sure we verify their liabilities. But the client or the lender doesn't know if the collateral for the loan is secure or sound until you actually put an offer on a property and that offer is accepted. So when I tell people you got to think like a lender, what are the two problems that could come up with the collateral? Well, really it's the valuation of the property or the condition of the property. Let's deal with value first because that's the easiest one to deal with. Normally there needs to be an appraisal done on a purchase if you are buying a property if you've got 20% down or more. In rare occasions, when you have less than 20% down and the mortgage is insured against default, there is no appraisal that's required, but sometimes there is. So if there is a discrepancy between what you bought the property for, the purchase price, and the appraised value, this is not the MPAC assessment value, this is the appraised value, then the lender will only give you the financing based on the lower of the two values, which is oftentimes the appraised value. If you have quite a bit of money to put down, 20% down or more, not a big deal. But if you're only putting 5% down, you want to make sure that you have a backup in case the valuation of the property comes in less than what you bought the house. The other problem that we had talked about that could come up with the collateral is the condition of the property. So oftentimes when you're buying like a power of sale or you're looking at bidding on a house really aggressively because there's something wrong with the condition, it's beaten up, you may not have the luxury of putting a financing condition because there's 10 other people that are bidding for that same house because they see the opportunity in improving the house and then selling it for a higher, flipping it and selling it for a higher price. You want to make sure that if the condition of the property is bad, that you have a backup plan. Oftentimes that backup plan would be to arrange some sort of temporary private financing, and we do that all the time. Or if the renovations are related to things like knob and tube wiring, asbestos, and UFI, we can incorporate those types of upgrades into the mortgage through a purchase plus improvement loan. So those are just some of the tricks and tips that we help our clients get through and issues that we help them get through. So if you have any questions about putting offers on properties without financing conditions, we can certainly walk you through that. Just check us out online at skipthebank.ca or give me a call. I'd be happy to talk about your current financial situation and how to be more financially successful with the assets that you own.